Hi guys, naatad sa wing station sa Arcade sa Eden City, and we try na ito ilahang unlimited wings and unlimited rice with 1 glass of tea. Nari ilahang panis. Para start na rin. I-try na po kung sa ilahang best seller area. Muna lang mino guys. Unlimited wings plus unlimited rice, 1 glass of tea, nice sauce, na flavor, roasted garlic, parmesan, jerk, buffalo, classic, social honey, barbecue for only 110 only. And nasa lang rice toppings. Choose ng kaano yung flavor guys. Okay. Guys, may 2 rice na siya. Ito yung chicken, nanadiri roasted chicken, parmesan. Yummy! And when icy, then mag-use lang yung plastic gloves para no need na ma-bashan.